Bintang Resort, as master developer, continues to work closely with hotel management, travel agents, as well as local and central government agencies during COVID-19 pandemic. All agencies, both private and government, are updated on the latest COVID-19 related information and Bintang Resort efforts in maintaining and preparing for the new normal pace while ensuring no positive case of COVID-19. Coordination efforts have been conducted through virtual meetings with tourism entrepreneurs of Bintang Regency and Riau Island Province, resort partners and travel agents. Webinars were also conducted with the Indonesian Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy to showcase that Bintang Resort is prepared for the new normal pace in the eyes of the world. Active coordination also continues with the Board of Tourism, Health and other services within the Bintang Regency. Direct meeting with government agencies such as visits from the region of Bintang, regional police officers, Ministry of Tourism and National Police Headquarters are carried out. A team from the coordinating Ministry of Maritime Affairs also came directly to Bintang Resorts to ensure that precautionary measures taken are aligned with the health protocols based on regulation by central government and World Health Organization. Coordinating Maritime Affairs and Investment Minister Luhut Panjaitan has also supported the opening of the border by contacted Singaporean Foreign Minister Vivian Balakrishnan to requesting of reopen the Singaporean borders that serve as entry points to Bintan and Batam. In an effort to open Bintang Resort in the new normal situation, we have also coordinated with the National Task Force COVID-19 in Jakarta to seek support for Bintang Resort to be open with proper health protocols. The government support by providing one set of PCR machine within Bintang Resort as main requirement of health protocol in the new normal situation. Director of Tourism Marketing Regional 1 in Tourism Ministry and Creative Economy, Bapak Vincentius Jemado, also support the opening of Bintang Resort in new normal pace. Through this, the economic wealth can be turned around, especially with increasing the revenue Bintang District, which is almost 60% of the tourism sector. In accordance with government target to aim domestic market as main segment, Bintang Resort has been established the pillars of pledge to achieve these targets, which is maximize revenue and cost saving, flexibility and initiative in business outlook, new normal protocol implementation, staff development, as well as digitalization and social media integration.